Hey everybody, Michael DiTullo here with another designer unboxing, and today I'm going to be unboxing a new key cover for my Polestar 2. Now, some of you that follow me on Instagram or here on YouTube might already know that I recently added a Polestar 2 to our lineup. Don't worry, I didn't get rid of my classic TT, but we got solar on our home about a year and a half ago, and I really wanted to get an EV into the mix, especially with gas prices and everything going on in the environment. And so the Polestar is kind of more of our daily driver. And we love the car, amazing car. But if you read about the Polestar, one common complaint about it is that the key fob it's a little simple, you know, and I think as a designer, there's a difference between being minimal and being simple. Sometimes that difference is just down to execution. In this case, it's a very simple design, and I think what pushes it too far over into being simple is just that it's all just black plastic. Right? It just doesn't feel like this goes with a $60,000 car. This design executed in a different material is a different matter entirely. And so I was really excited when I found the folks over at Viva Performance, which is a Polestar and Volvo aftermarket seller, sold an all metal case for this. So I'm gonna open this up, super excited, and then swap out the covers and see how easy it is to do. So this came in just a few days. It ships from New Hampshire. I saw some people saying that you know, these are shipping from basically from like Alibaba. I decided to get it from Viva Performance. I just wanted to go with a US store that I felt like I could trust, even though it was a few bucks more. And these guys also offered the original design. A lot of the other ones you see on Alibaba are like slightly more rounded, softer looking. I think it's probably an older Volvo key cover because, you know, Polestar and Volvo both owned by the same company. And I wanted to keep this kind of crisper look, but just in metal. So let's take a look here. Yeah. So here you can see we've got basically two brushed aluminum pieces. It's literally the same parts. We're just gonna swap them out. And I believe this will be toolless, if I have done my research right. So inside of this simple key cover is actually the emergency key. If for whatever reason your key fobs don't work, there's always a way to actually get into your vehicle. So we're gonna push this button right here. You notice on this little clip here, there's a little button. I'm gonna slide that towards me, and then I could slide the cover off. There we go. So see that I took that first cover off, and that's our key. So this cover, I'm just gonna kind of keep these straight here. Looks like it's that one. And this one's a little bit different, so I'm gonna assume is the other side. Now, the way to get the other side off, you can see this is the emergency key that we could pop out. There's also a couple little metal tabs here. You see those guys? These metal tabs. So I'm gonna pull these tabs inward. We should be able to slide the other side right off. There we go. And that's our other side. So, and then you'll see, you know, on this side we have the emergency key. On this side is the actual battery. So even if you don't replace your covers with a nicer cover, you are gonna need to open this up at some point to replace that battery. So let's see if this goes on just as easily. So again, kind of keep these lined up. There we go. That one's in there. Let's get our other side on. Come on now. Oh, it'd be help if I did it the right way. User error. See that slot? Lines up with that. Wow, that was easier than I thought it was gonna be. We could peel off our little protectors there, and you can see now we've got, it just feels a little bit higher end, right? Feels like it goes with more of a premium product. I'm down with it. Let's take a look at it with the car. All right, there we go. We've got the Polestar, and then we've got its new key. I think it just goes a little bit more with the vehicle now, and you can see everything works just like it should. All we did was replace those covers. So you can see that was so easy to do. I'm super happy with it. Another designer unboxing. If you want to see more like this, hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.